The FAMM BAR Program, or Family of Affordable Mass Missiles Beyond Adversary's Reach, is an initiative by the U.S. Air Force aimed at developing a low-cost, long-range air-to-surface missile that can be launched in large quantities from cargo aircraft. The program seeks to enhance the Air Force's standoff strike capabilities with a target range of at least 1,000 nautical miles and a production goal of 1,000 to 2,000 missiles per year. As part of the FAMM BAR program, the U.S. Air Force has initiated the development of an affordable long-range cruise missile intended for air launch from C-130J and C-17A transport aircraft using a parachute pallet deployment system. The missile is expected to engage slow-moving surface targets at ranges exceeding 1,850 kilometers, with a cruising speed of Mach 0.68 to 0.72, and a warhead weighing 450 to 500 kilograms. Its propulsion system will consist of a turbojet engine producing 3.2 kilonewtons of thrust, with a specific fuel consumption of 0.78 kilograms per kilogram of hour, enabling flight at altitudes ranging from 50 to 8,000 meters while following the terrain. The guidance system will include an inertial navigation platform, satellite correction, and an active millimeter wave radar seeker capable of target discrimination in a jamming environment. An infrared sensor may also be fitted. The planned production rate is at least 1,000 missiles per year, with the potential to increase output to 2,000. A parallel FAMM lugged variant is being developed for tactical aircraft and has already undergone flight testing on the F-16CD. These missiles are intended to compensate for the depletion of LRASM and JASM stockpiles, more than 1,000 of which were expended within several weeks of combat operations. It should be recalled that several years earlier, the U.S. Air Force conducted full-scale trials of parachute container launches of AGM-158AB, JASM-ER, low observable cruise missiles from the cargo bay of an MC-130J Commando II. Air Force wants inexpensive, long-range missiles that can be launched in mass volleys by cargo aircraft. According to a recent request for information, Beyond Adversary's Reach, Family of Affordable Mass Missiles, or FAMM BAR, would be a common air-to-surface missile carried in pallets aboard cargo aircraft. The service envisions producing 1,000 to 2,000 missiles per year for 5 years. The goal is to streamline the battle space by developing a single, common air-to-surface munition that is affordable, adaptable, and possesses significant standoff range, the Air Force's RFI reads. The initial goal is an anti-ship missile with a range of at least 1,000 nautical miles, a speed of at least 533 miles per hour, and mid-course navigation. The RFI describes the target set as slow-moving maritime. However, FAMM BAR seems to be exploring the possibility of a joint missile that can be launched from multiple types of platforms. The RFI mentions long-range employment on fighter and additional aircraft using lugged munitions, or weapons attached to an aircraft's wings or inside a bomb bay. It also asks contractors whether their design is suitable for surface-to-surface by Army and Navy systems. Respondents to the RFI are asked to detail how they will manage the aerodynamic and physical constraints for a weapon that must be both externally lug-mounted by fighters/bombers and deployed from a cargo pallet or for maritime operations on USN ships. Other considerations include resistance to GPS jamming.